Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divabyduncan, and welcome to part 2 of my U-part wig tutorial featuring Woe wigs. Part 2 is how I cut and style this beautiful blonde U-part wig. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the button down below to subscribe. And if you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's get right into the video. Here are some of the tools and products that you'll need. First, you're going to need a rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb. You can use this one or you can use this one, it doesn't matter. A paddle brush, some duckbill clips. I would say get 3 packs of these, shears and a razor comb, a handy dandy flat iron. This is by Tool Science and this is the truth. You're also going to need a curling iron. This is the one and only by Argan Heat. I love this curling iron. Next, you're going to need some hairspray. This is by Chi. Spritz. This is Firm Hold, the Liquid Mousse by Fantasia. Hask Argan Oil. This is the truth. And then we're going to start off by just brushing the hair through, making sure all of the tangles are out of the hair. Next, I'm just sectioning off the first layer. And I am just sizing it up, seeing where I want the layer to fall. So now I'm going to cut my second layer and I'm going to use the first layer as a guide. And then I'm going to use my razor comb to clean up the cut and frame the face. Now I'm moving on to the other side and then I'm going to do the same thing. To start, I'm going to use the first side as a guide. And then I'm going to cut the first layer. And then I'm going to use that first layer on the other side as a guide to cut the second layer. Here I'm just clipping the ends. And then I'm going to use my razor comb again to frame the face and clean up the cut. So I'm going to flat iron the hair straight first using my flat iron by Tool Science and my Hask Argan Oil. I'm going to start off by sectioning the hair off. And this is just going to be a quick flat iron. It is not going to be anything too tedious because we want to do just 1 or 2 passes just to get the hair sleek. It doesn't have to be bone straight, just so that the curls could look a little bit more popping. So now that the hair is straightened, you can definitely see your layers and you can further clean the cut up some more. And now I'm going to section off the hair again so that I can curl the hair this time. First, I'm going to spray spritz, and then I'll curl, and then I'll hold the curl in place with a duck bill clip. And I'm going to do that all the way up to the top. Curling the hair in an upwards motion gives it volume and bounce. I like to section off the front because that part is going to be curled just a little bit differently. It's actually going to be curled in a downwards motion. So for this section here, I spray both the top and the bottom. And this is the section that will be curled downwards. This is what it looks like so far. Then I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb those curls out in the back first. Then I'm going to remove the pins out of the curls in the front and I'm going to comb everything to the back and then push it forward. And this is how it looks once I'm all done. And I just keep combing and playing with it and teasing it until I get it exactly how I want it. Shake it out, let the curls fall a little bit more. Then I'm going to spray some hairspray to hold the curls in place, and then I'm all done. And this is the final look, you guys. If you liked what I had for you today, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.